Hello and welcome to release question 24 for the California Standards Test questions, release questions for geometry. It says in the figure below, n is a whole number. What is the smallest possible value for n? So n's a whole number. We're trying to figure out what the smallest possible value for n is. So if that is the case, if you have to be able to make a triangle, let's think about this in the most extreme form. So we would have to have the most stretched out form, you could say, the smallest possible value. So I could squish this down kind of like this. And remember, whatever this is plus this, if it's going to form a triangle, it has to be bigger than this number right here. So I know that n plus n has to be more than 15. That's an algebraic way to think of it. And so that would mean 2n has to be greater than 15. And if you divide both sides by 2, that means n has to be greater than, that would be 7.5. What's the first whole number that's greater than 7.5? First whole number would be 8. And so if you had 7, the triangle, it wouldn't even connect. It wouldn't even make a triangle. There's no way to connect the parts. 7's kind of close to this, but think of it again like this. If you had 7, you'd be left with a little gap in your triangle because this is 15. 7 and 7, if you push them down all the way down, it only would make 14 of the 15. There's no way to make that connection. So these have to be at least 8 for that to work. That's not possible. So that means n is at least 8. And so that is our final answer for number 24. 24, choice C.